Welcome back to week 2 of Document Automation Training Camp. I'm Matt Stewart, and I'm so happy that you've come back for another round. In week 1, we laid the foundation for this course. We defined document automation and started getting familiar with the ways a process can start off, including all of the elements about document intake, making it usable, and then started to tinker with classification. If you didn't complete week 1, I highly recommend you check that out before proceeding. Now, if you did complete week 1, you should have a great understanding of what end-to-end document automation means and why it's important to your organization. You should also be able to sit down and get hands-on with Automation Anywhere to do some document pre-processing to make a document ready for use. And you should also be comfortable building a classifier and building the TaskBot alongside it. You should remember from week 1, classification tells you what type of document you're looking at. But to learn what information is inside the document, you'll need to complete extraction. So in week 2, our primary focus is going to be covering how to use various extraction techniques. Extraction is a super important step in document processing, and there's a ton of tools available in Automation Anywhere that allow you to enhance your extraction accuracy. Extraction is more than just getting important business information out of a document. It also means it's available in a consistent and predictably structured way for use by later automation or processing. We'll start with our pre-trained models that cover commonly used document types and their most common fields. And then we'll show you how to deal with user-defined documents using aliases. We'll also show you how to use custom generative AI prompts to extract complex structured information from documents. We'll also be sharing with you an informational video on control room configuration. This video will show you the steps required for making document automation function at your enterprise. So your action plan for this week. Go through the course list at your own pace and try to get comfortable with the material. Remember, it's designed to take you less than 2 hours each week, so get hands-on. Try out the concepts as you learn them. We want you to come away with this with practical knowledge ready to implement at your organization. 2. Connect with our Automation Anywhere community. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and learn from each other. 3. Join our live session at the end of the week for additional insights and community engagement. You'll be able to ask questions and give some feedback. Remember, this camp is for you, and it is your opportunity to master AI-powered document processing and transform your business operations. You already made it through week 1. Keep the learning journey going. Thanks for watching, and go be great.